a delicious and nutritious salad. Recipes vary, but here is a general guide and common ingredients for a beetroot, lentil, and couscous salad, which is often served cold or slightly warm. Typical components: couscous, the base of the salad. Lentils, adds protein and texture. Puey lentils or green-brown lentils are common. Beetroot, provides sweetness, earthiness, and vibrant color. Dressing, usually a vinaigrette with olive oil, acid, lemon juice or vinegar, and seasonings. Flavor texture enhancers, fresh herbs, nuts, seeds, and other vegetables. General steps and ingredients. Here is a simple, flexible recipe outline. Ingredients: serves 4. For the base, 1 cup dry couscous, 1 cup boiling water or vegetable or chicken stock, 1 cup cooked lentils, canned, rinsed, and drained or freshly cooked. For the beetroot, 2 to 3 medium beetroots, cooked and diced, or use ready-cooked packs. A drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. For the dressing, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice or red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, optional, a pinch of salt and pepper. For the extras, optional but recommended, 1 or 2 small red onion or 2 spring onions, finely sliced. A handful of fresh herbs, chopped, e.g. parsley, mint, or dill. 1 to 4 cup crumbled feta or goat cheese, optional for non-vegan vegetarian. 1 to 4 cup toasted nuts or seeds, e.g. walnuts, pecans, sunflower, or pumpkin seeds. Instructions. Cook the couscous. Place the couscous in a large heat-proof bowl. Pour the boiling water or stock over the couscous. Add a pinch of salt. Cover the bowl and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Fluff the couscous with a fork and set aside to cool slightly. Prepare the beetroot. If using raw beets, peel and dice them, then roast until tender, about 30-40 minutes at 400 degrees F, 200 degrees C, or boil them, then dice. Alternatively, just dice the ready-cooked beets. Toss the diced beetroot with a drizzle of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl or jar, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice vinegar, Dijon mustard, if using, salt and pepper until emulsified. Combine the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled couscous, cooked lentils, and diced beetroot. Add the sliced onion and the chopped fresh herbs. Pour the dressing over the ingredients. Gently toss everything to combine. Serve. If using, stir in the crumbled cheese and/or toasted nuts seeds just before serving. Taste and adjust seasoning if necessary. You might want more lemon juice or salt. Serve the salad chilled or at room temperature. Settings. Add any subtitle.